That's the big news coming in. Supriya Sule versus Ajit Pawar is the big controversy that has happened in the past few hours. This is what Ajit Pawar also spoke about this morning. Ajit Pawar referring to how he believes that it was the voice, the audio of them. Let's listen.
उनकी कन्वीनियंस देखिए, मैं तो कभी भी आ सकती हूँ. और दूसरी बात, मैंने आज सुबह उनको एक डेफमेशन की नोटिस भेजी. Now English, आराम से लो, आराम से. Now English. Can we start?
Just let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me get across to Mr. Supriya Sule. The timing is something you've been talking about. 5 questions. Everybody asked before polling began in Maharashtra. Do you know Gaurav Mehta? I remember correctly said just now that on Bitcoin you have been very vociferous inside the parliament.
I've spoken against Bitcoin. I've spoken against cryptocurrency. I'm somebody who has raised very serious issues about it. So when I have raised, I've spoken against something, and I am with full humility, honesty and transparency. And my commitment.
All right, so Divyesh also joining us. Divyesh, if you can hear me, like we were talking about, on one side, if there's a cash for vote allegation yesterday, the drama that we saw in Virar, and then now this whole Bitcoin scam charge that the BJP is highlighting. What do you think? Just take us through the kind of narrative and discourse we've seen this election season.
Well, this allegation just came up last evening when former IPS officer Ravindranath Patil, who was working with a consultancy firm helping the Pune police in the cryptocurrency fraud, went on to allege that using names of Supriya Sule, Nana Patole, and also shared some audio clips where he alleges, again we are saying that he has alleged this. There's been no investigation as of now. It is on the allegation of Ravindranath Patil that these allegations have surfaced, and Ravindranath Patil in 2022 was arrested by the Pune police when he was in fact helping the Pune police to crack some of the wallets in which the Amit Bhardwaj run cryptocurrency scam were invested or were kept. He swapped some of the wallets, shifted some of the bitcoins to his own wallet, and that was found by the Pune police and he was placed under arrest. Now Ravindranath Patil last evening comes up and levels these allegations that it was he names Supriya Sule, he names Nana Patole, and says that they had been demanding bitcoins or cash from Gaurav Mehta, another person working for a consultancy helping the Pune police investigate the case, and these allegations have surfaced. Supriya Sule filed an online complaint. She spoke to the Pune Police Commissioner and she sought an investigation into it. She sought action against everyone who's leveled these allegations. We are right now present at Anushakti Nagar and you can see the turnout over here. It's mostly senior citizens who come out to vote. Youngsters have not turned out. It's mostly the senior citizens who come out to vote. And these are the certificates. This is Mr.
What's that?
Harish Chandra
Divyesh,
Yadav,
tell us more about it.
Who's been given an appreciation certificate by the Election Commission of India for casting his vote at the Anushakti Nagar constituency at the TISS polling center. But we can see a large number of senior citizens have turned out. They've turned out in large numbers. We just met Raghu Pawar, who was a 95-year-old senior citizen who came in a wheelchair to cast his vote. He cast his vote and then left.
We'll play that out, Divyesh, in just a short while. Yes, we will play out that visual. What Divyesh is saying is very important. Look at the senior citizens in queue. And it's all in the backdrop of the whole political showdown that we have seen. So this is the latest. Is there an audio that has circulated over the Bitcoin allegation to which Ajit Pawar has spoken up? And he's spoken about his sister and a long time part in political life, Nana Patole. Let's listen into what the Deputy CM has had to say on that.
एक तो मेरी परिवार की मेरी बहन है और दूसरे हमने जिनके साथ बहुत साल काम किया है, एक दूसरे के विरोध में भी किया है, एक दूसरे के साथ भी किया है, महाविकास आघाड़ी में भी किया है। वो बीच में बीजेपी के भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट थे। ऐसे सभी जगह उन्होंने काम किया है। तो वो भी आवाज उनका ही है, उनका बोलने का टोन, उनका आवाज दोनों का वही है। अभी इसके बारे में इंक्वायरी हो जाएगी। इंक्वायरी होने के बाद पता चलेगा कौन है, क्या है इसके पीछे, सच राज क्या है वो पता चलेगा।
एक पूर्व पुलिस अधिकारी जो एक आरोप में पहले कुछ समय जेल में रह चुका है, उसको एक आरोपी डीलर संपर्क करता है और यह कहता है कि बिटकॉइन का कुछ पैसा हमें ट्रांजैक्शन करना है कैश में। वो ये कहता है कि मैं पहले ही लफड़े में फंस चुका हूं, मैं ऐसी किसी चीज में नहीं पड़ना चाहता। तो वो दूसरा व्यक्ति ये कह रहा है कि नहीं साहब, इसमें बड़े लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं और वो कांग्रेस के महाराष्ट्र के अध्यक्ष नाना पटोले जी का तथा कथित रूप से नाम लेता है और सुप्रिया सुले जी का तथा कथित रूप से नाम लेता है। फिर जब वो अधिकारी पुनः अविश्वास व्यक्त करता है तो वो कहता है कि मैं आपको ऑडियो क्लिप भेज रहा हूं, आप इसको सुनिए, आपको स्वतः समझ में आ जाएगा। और उस ऑडियो क्लिप में डीलर के दावे के अनुसार वह साफ साफ कहा जा रहा है कि
कर रही है ना, उन्हीं का एलिगेशन है।
Baramati, because in Baramati, Rahul Gautam is speaking to Supriya Sule, member of parliament. Let's listen into that.
Diversionary tactic hai. Just on the eve of election, they have done this.
See, your question only says, no, the entire media is asking me the same thing. कि how come, what's the timing? तो आप ही के सवाल में तो मेरा जवाब है।
किसी गौरव मेहता नाम के व्यक्ति को अगर आप जानती हो या कभी आपने बिटकॉइन में कोई ट्रांजैक्शन किया हो कभी?
अरे सुप्रिया सुले की सबसे बड़ी ताकत मेरी ईमानदारी है, सिंपल। और आई एम विलिंग टू सिट विद मिस्टर त्रिवेदी एनीवेयर। वो जहाँ कहे, प्लेस ऑफ हिज टाइम, टाइम उन्हें तय करे, जगह वो तय करे और शहर वो तय करे, कहीं भी बुला लिया और प्लेटफॉर्म भी वही तय करे। आई कम वेरेवर ही सेज।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी के खिलाफ हमने डेफेमेशन सूट फाइल किया, लेकिन सेम लैंग्वेज अजीत पवार साहब भी यूज कर रहे हैं।
में आया, लेकिन वो अजीत पवार है, रामकृष्ण आरी, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं।
विनोद तावड़े का जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, एक वीडियो वायरल हो गया, 9 लाख रुपए रिकवर भी किए गए हैं, 3 मुकदमे भी दर्ज किए गए हैं, उसको आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
बहुत एक सशक्त लोकतंत्र के लिए ये बहुत दुख की बात है। और विनोद जी महाराष्ट्र के नहीं, देश के बड़े नेता है और पार्टी विद अ डिफरेंस, जिसके बारे में हमेशा बीजेपी कहती थी, वो बहुत दुख की बात है। और बहुत मतलब एक सशक्त लोकतंत्र के लिए अगर पैसा बांट के ये वोट खरीदने तो ये लोकतंत्र कैसे रहा? बहुत दुख की बात है कि हमारे भारत रत्न डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर के संविधान को चोट पहुंचाई है। कल के जो विजुअल्स देखे उसमें
37 सीट्स पर एनसीपी वर्सेस एनसीपी है। लोकसभा में आपकी पार्टी ने ये प्रूव किया कि कम से कम जो लोग हैं आपके सपोर्टर्स हैं वो आपको ही, क्योंकि 10 में से 8 सीटें आपको मिली।
देखो ना, जल्दी क्या है, इतनी वोटिंग तो होने तो आराम से। रामकृष्ण हरी,
थैंक यू। ये थी सुप्रिया सुले। साफ तौर पर कहती हूँ तमाम आरोपों को उन्होंने दरकिनार किया, खारिज किया और चुनौती दी बीजेपी के नेताओं को कि वो जब चाहे, जहां चाहे, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे चाहे, जिस शहर में चाहे, वो आकर उनसे उन तमाम एलिगेशंस को लेकर जो कि बिटकॉइन के सिलसिले में उनके ऊपर लगाए गए हैं, उनको लेकर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। मैं राहुल गौतम, प्रदीप गुप्ता के साथ बारामती से आज तक के लिए।
All right, so that's Rahul Gautam getting us that exclusive interaction with Supriya Sule. Remember, because while the polling is on, there's still constantly the showdown. On one side, the cash for votes that the Mahayuti is aiming at against the BJP, but the BJP has also escalated a Bitcoin scam, a crypto scam, and they're charging at Supriya Sule. Now, Supriya Sule is not contesting this time. She's the member of parliament, but it is as much about the Mahayuti leaders, the NCP leaders. And who's taking the lead in those charges against them? It's Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar has spoken to India Today as well, and he has said that it appears, and again this morning he reiterated the point, it appears that it's her voice or that of Nana Patolle interacting, what appears to be a scam. Of course, the NCP, like you just heard, has absolutely denied it. But while the voting is on, this is a showdown politically that's happening, and that's reflective of the kind of high-stake battle this is. Because it's not just about a Congress, BJP or two alliances. It's as much about one party broken into two factions, both for Shiv Sena, but specifically for the NCP. Because for the NCP, it's as much about the Pawar legacy. You're looking at family members who are contesting against each other, the Chacha, the Bhatija, and then there's Nana Patolle, who's heading the Congress unit for Maharashtra. And is there a certain scam that has happened of the Bitcoin?